Now it's time to look at another widget that we can use in Android, and that is a checkbox. And the checkbox allows only two states, checked or unchecked. So I'm going to go inside activity main.xml and let's delete the hello world text view. So let's delete this. Let's go back to design and let's add our checkboxes here. So I'm going to type here in the palette, I'm going to search check and we'll drag this checkbox. We put it here in the middle. We constrain it horizontally and vertically. We'll add another checkbox, so we type here checkbox. I'm gonna put it below this one. I'm gonna constrain it. Let's push it up. So like that. Let's add another checkbox. Let's put it below this one. So let's constrain this checkbox also. Let's move it up. Now let's put a text view above because we're gonna ask a question. So I'm gonna type here, actually we have the text view here. So I'm gonna put this text view here. I'm gonna constrain it. Let's push it down. Let's increase the text size. So I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna increase the text size. Let's put 20 sp. Go back to design. And I'm gonna put another text view, which is gonna display what we check. So what from our checkbox, which one we check. So I'm gonna put a checkbox below here. But let's actually put first a button. So let's put a button. Let's constrain it. Not like that. Let's push this up. And let's now add another text view, which is gonna display the checkbox that was checked. So checkbox, not text view. Text view actually, not checkbox, sorry. So let's take this text view, let's put it below. So this text view is gonna display what choice we've made. So what checkbox which we checked. So let's constrain it. Right, let's move it up a little bit. Now let's move all of this up a little bit, but let's change the text size of the second text view to also 20 sp. So let's type here text size 20 sp. Go to design. Now let's select all of those and let's move them up. So if now we move this up, all of them are gonna be moved up. So move them up. Alright, so now it's okay. Now let's create some strings here. So I'm gonna type here first the string for the text views. I'm gonna type here string text view question. let's type here what programming language you like. Let's add another text view, another string, and so I'm gonna type string text view option, text view option, and this actually this is gonna be empty. We don't need this. Now let's add the strings for the checkbox, because we're gonna have some text on the right of the checkbox. I'm gonna type string, and I'm gonna type here checkbox, and it's gonna have the text Kotlin. I'm gonna press Ctrl D, and I'm gonna change this to Java and Python. So checkbox Kotlin, checkbox Java, and checkbox Python I'm gonna put here. Now we go inside activity.main.xml and we're gonna add the text for the checkbox, and we can do it from the design from here. So let's do for one of them from here. So let's take the first checkbox and we go down, and we have the text checkbox. I'm gonna delete that. I'm gonna type here string Kotlin. So now the text was changed. And we can do the same thing for the next ones, but I'm gonna do this from code. So I'm gonna go inside the code. I'm gonna go inside the code. I have the checkboxes here, but I can't identify them because so let's actually do it from design. So I'm gonna do it from design. Let's go down again. I'm gonna put here string checkbox Java, then next checkbox, we select that and do type here string checkbox Python. Now let's select this text view. We're gonna put the question, let's go up. So here now type string text view question. So we have what programming language do you like, Kotlin, Java, Python, and we have the button. Let's move the button a little bit down. Now let's add some IDs to our checkbox. I'm gonna click on the first checkbox. It has the ID checkbox, and let's call it checkbox Kotlin. Click on refactor. We select the second checkbox. We call it checkbox Java. We press enter. We select the third checkbox, and I'm gonna call this checkbox Python. And also gonna give an ID for this click on refactor to have the ID added there. So I'm gonna click on this text view, and this text view is gonna display the choice. So I'm gonna call this text view choice. Press enter and refactor. Now if you go inside the main activity and if you run this, So we have our checkboxes, and we have the button and the text, the question here, so everything looks fine. So we're going to continue our discussion in the next video.